Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you my latest acquisition from AliExpress. This watch comes from an homage company, and this latest iteration that I found seems to have different vibes from two different watch companies kind of blended together in a neat little configuration. So I purchased it to see how it would wear on my wrist. Now before we get into the unboxing, today's wrist check, I am wearing my Seiko 6117-6410. That is the Seiko Navigator timer. I picked this thing up at a thrift shop in a town near me for about $100. And all I've done is polish the crystal and place it on a Montreux strap. And with the wrist check completed, let's get to the unboxing. Now, since I mentioned an homage watch brand, you should by now have already guessed that we're talking about Pagani design. Now, this particular watch has some pretty impressive specifications, which we'll go over shortly. First, opening the box, you've got your standard Pagani design cloth. You've got your watch. Get it, your little tag down there. And your guarantee card, which is completely blank, and your instruction manual. All of that can go right back in the box. You've got a nice plastic protective covering here. So this is the PD-1736. This is an automatic movement. And according to Pagani Design's website, this is the NH35 movement. However, on AliExpress, they said that this would be the NH39. I'm not terribly familiar with the differences between the two, but there you have it. As you can see, this watch borrows aesthetics from, obviously, Panerai, aside from the locking crown guard. It also kind of reminds me of a Blancpain 50. Decent bezel action here. It's good and stiff. It's omnidirectional with just a little bit of back play. And get this over to the 12 here. And that seems to line up quite nicely. Now, as I said, it's an automatic movement. It claims to have sapphire crystal on the front with AR coating, and it is pretty legible from every single angle. You've got a display case back, and it claims to have 660 feet or 200 meters of water resistance. Now, that's something I'm never ever going to try out, but let's see how this thing looks on wrist. Now, as you can see, on my 7.5-inch wrist, it looks pretty good. The wife and I are headed out to do some more antique shopping later today, and I think that I will be wearing this watch. It's just kind of cool looking with the exposed balance wheel there. The hands are legible. And I do like the finishing they've done on the case with the brushed. And it looks like a ceramic dial insert, but it could just be aluminum. So there you are. The Pagani Design PD-1736. Pagani Design's website has it for sale for $108.99. However, you can pick it up on AliExpress for less than half of that. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a good day.